Technology was a simple assistant for humans, searching, watching long videos for school projects, and summarizing books or studies with our understanding and knowledge. It was really uncomplicated back then. People relied on their own skills and patience. I remember searching synonyms for the word beautiful for my essay too.
We're surrounded by information everywhere, and it's up to us how we choose to retrieve it, understand it, and use it. No smart assistants, no shortcuts, just humans. Back then, companies relied on journalists, designers, and artists in a way that felt more genuine. Artists were recognized, essays were written with emotion, and people listened. But now, before anyone gets an applause, they get debated, doubted, and questioned. The world changed, and so did the way we value creative work.
It was a world where we lived independently as humans. Imagine a world where you have to do everything by yourself. Yet, again, it might scare a lot, but that's how it used to be. We lived independently. We did everything by ourselves. Since when did we become dependent on an artificial?
Uy, salamat tayo, Rish, ha?
Oo naman.
May pasok ka pa mamaya, di ba?
Oo. Ay, oo nga, no? Magta-try na rin pala strict pa yung next prof ko eh.
Sige. Good luck.
Bye-bye.
Uwi na rin.
Sana na, pre. Wala pa tayo sa kalahati sa film natin. Tagal na nun, pre. Wala pa sa kalahati, tas magabong pa tayo sa initan. Malapit na nga deadline nun eh. Sana na.
Yun nga eh. Siguro ipapa-generate ko na lang sa AI yung ibang parts ng video. Hindi, yung subtitles na lang pala. Para instead na imano-mano ko pa yung mga subtitles, papa-generate ko na lang sa AI.
Sana yung pre, AI na nga topic natin eh. Sa AI pa gagawa ng script natin. Ano na yun?
Hindi pre, yung subtitles lang naman yung i-ano ko sa ChatGPT pre. Kumbaga, yung AI lang yung mag-generate ng subtitles, pero ako pa rin yung mag-edit ng mismong video.
Sige na nga.
Tara na pre, linet pre.